Jack, we have a big surprise for you today.
A surprise? What is it, Mommy? I love surprises.
We are going to the toy store this morning together.
The toy store? Really? That is so amazing, Dad!
You can each choose one special toy to bring home.
Can I pick any toy in the whole store, Mommy?
Yes, any toy you want. So think carefully and choose wisely.
I hope they have teddy bears. What do you want, Jack?
I want something really cool, like a dinosaur or a robot.
Wow! Look at all the toys!
This place is amazing.
Take your time and look around at everything carefully.
Oh my goodness, look at this fluffy teddy bear. So cute. I love this teddy bear so much. It is so soft. Wait, an art set? I love drawing and painting too.
Dad, look at this awesome dinosaur. It looks so real.
Roar! This dinosaur is the best toy I have ever seen. Whoa, race cars! These are super fast and really cool.
The teddy bear is cuddly, but the art set is fun too.
The dinosaur is amazing, but this race car is awesome too.
We should think about choosing soon. It is getting late.
Okay, Anna and Jack, it is time to choose your toy.
The teddy bear is soft, and the art set is creative.
But Mommy, I really want both of these toys so much.
The dinosaur is strong, and the race car is super fast.
Dad, this is so hard. They are both really great toys.
I cannot decide. This is too difficult for me. Mommy!
Why can I only choose one? I want both of these.
My head is so confused. I do not know what to do.
Anna, sweetheart, let me help you think about this together. What do you love most about the teddy bear, Anna?
The teddy bear is so soft and cuddly and warm.
And what do you love most about the art set, too?
The art set lets me draw pictures and be very creative.
Jack, tell me, what do you love about the dinosaur? The dinosaur is big and strong and makes cool roar sounds.
And what do you love most about the race car, son?
The race car is super fast and has really cool wheels.
If you had to pick just one, which would you miss?
I would miss the teddy bear more. I want to hug it.
Jack, which toy would you want to play with every day?
The dinosaur! I would play dinosaur adventures every day.
I choose the teddy bear. This is my special new friend.
I choose the dinosaur. This is the best toy for me.
Those are wonderful choices. I am so proud of you both.
You both made very good decisions today. Well done.
Thank you so much, Mommy and Daddy, for my teddy bear.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. I love my new dinosaur.
I am so happy with my teddy bear. It is so perfect.
My dinosaur is awesome. I cannot wait to play at home.
This teddy bear is my best friend now. I love it.
This was the best day ever.
Thank you, Mom and Dad.